Former Transport Minister Iswaran is currently embroiled in a high-profile legal battle involving charges of corruption and obstruction of justice. Facing 35 charges, which include 32 counts of obtaining valuables as a public servant, 2 counts of corruption, and 1 count of obstructing justice, Iswaran's case has drawn significant public and media attention. The charges stem from his alleged dealings with property tycoon Ong Beng Seng and Ong Beng Seng, the managing director of Lum Chong Holdings, a Singapore-listed company. During a hearing on July 5, Iswaran's defense team, led by Senior Counsel Davinder Singh, made a compelling request for the prosecution to hand over all the statements of the witnesses it intends to call at trial. More than 50 witnesses are listed for the trial, including Ong Beng Seng, who Iswaran is accused of corruptly obtaining gratification from. This request follows an earlier attempt in June, where Singh's team had previously failed to obtain these statements. Singh argued passionately that his client was entitled to the prosecution's facts and evidence supporting the charges, along with the statements Iswaran himself gave. He emphasized the importance of pretrial discovery, stating, "The whole point of pretrial discovery is to respond in a fashion so that Your Honor knows what are the issues in the case." Singh questioned the fairness of the prosecution's actions, asking, "Why is my client being singled out?" And with the effect that he would be discriminated against, by being refused what everybody else gets? Iswaran's application for a joint trial for all criminal charges against him was previously granted on May 8, 2024. Singh claimed that the prosecution was initially prepared to provide condition statements when they intended to proceed with the trial involving Lum first. However, after the defense's application for a joint trial was granted, the prosecution's stance shifted. Singh alleged that the prosecution decided not to provide the defense with condition statements, which would prolong the trial indefinitely. This means that if they were going to lead oral evidence for 55 witnesses, this trial is going to go on for months and months and months into next year, Singh argued. In response, the prosecution, led by Deputy Attorney General Shyong, strongly objected to Singh's claims. Thai denied the defense's allegations, stating that the prosecution had made the required disclosures. He highlighted that in most corruption cases, the giver and receiver of the corruption are potentially hostile witnesses, making it crucial for the court to hear their evidence directly rather than through statements. Thai emphasized that the prosecution had served on the defense the 35 charges, the prosecution's list of witnesses and exhibits, and 66 statements recorded from Iswaran, amounting to 1,156 pages. These included exhibits like emails and messages, as well as electronic evidence such as messages and WhatsApp chats between Iswaran, Ong, and Lum. Furthermore, the prosecution provided 37 witness statements recorded from 7 prosecution witnesses, including key figures like Ong, Lum, and Iswaran's wife, Taylor K. Mary. Thai refuted Singh's allegation that the prosecution intended to conduct trial by ambush, asserting that the defense had been given ample information to prepare their case. The judge will make a decision on whether to grant the defense's request for all witness statements at a later date. The outcome of this decision will significantly impact the course of the trial, potentially affecting its duration and the defense's strategy. For more updates on this case, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230. We value your opinions, so please leave your comments below and let us know what you think about this ongoing trial. Stay tuned for more detailed coverage and analysis on this high-stakes legal battle.